Have you ever wondered why the fridge has a light, but the freezer doesn't? You have to compare the costs with the benefits. Whether you put a light in the fridge section or in the freezer, the cost is about the same. The bulb, the wiring, the switch, those fixed costs don't change, just because you open the door more often. So the real question is, where does that light deliver the most value? The biggest advantage of having a light is that it makes things easier to find, and most people open the fridge far more often than they open the freezer. So if you're spending the same amount on a light, putting it in the fridge is the better deal. So it's not that you can't install one, it's that the same cost gets prioritized, where it gets used more and pays off more. Of course, that doesn't mean freezers can't have lights. Some premium multi-door refrigerators, for example, do come with LED lighting in the freezer. Why? Because the higher someone's income is, the more willing they are to pay for convenience. For most people, that freezer light is optional. For higher income consumers, it's a feature worth paying extra for. Ordinary refrigerators are built to be good enough. Premium refrigerators are built to remove hassle. So when a freezer doesn't have a light, it's not because the technology isn't there. It's because most people don't want to pay extra for it. That's what economists call willingness to pay. Most people think, not necessary. Higher income consumers think, yeah, that's worth it.